In this tutorial, you will learn how to parse values for columns 2 and 3 only using PDF.co document parser. We have a sample PDF that has a table with 3 columns that we can use for this tutorial. To begin, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Document Parser menu at the top of the page. On your Document Parser page, click the New Template. Then, load the source PDF or image file that you're going to use for creating your template. In the Add object, select Add field based on text search object for your template. To get the value of row 2 column 2, set the expression to item 2 spaces, value number, and set the data type to string. Now, let's add another object. Select Add field based on text search object. To get the value of row 2 column 3, set the expression to item 2 spaces number spaces, value number, and set the data type to string. After setting up the objects, you may now run the template. Here's the parse data from item 2 column 2 and 3. Once you're done creating your template, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.